The price is really good for this one. We're gonna move, keep going. The next product I'm gonna review is going to be, this is the next product I'm gonna review. This is mini storage bag. This is a mini storage bag, and I would love to review this because for me, when I like to carry my, I probably am gonna leave this on because I just like this so much. This is really beautiful. I like the grip. You know, it looks like my camera. All my camera has a grip. You know, so if you look to every single camera I have here, I have 4 different cameras, 5 different angles, and all of them have a grip. So for me to have a grip on my phone, on my Action 6, it's really good. I like this a lot. The next product we're gonna review is gonna be storage, the mini storage bag. I'm gonna open this from Teleson. It's very colorful. I do not really, I'm a color blind, so I don't really like my stuff to be colorful. All my stuff that I buy, it's all black. I can't complain it because this is free. Stuff that been Teleson sent it to me, but this is very colorful. If I would like to buy one, I will get like a black color because it just blends with all my stuff. All my equipment, all my camera is all black. So if I will buy some, I would like to do it like with the color black. But I'm very thankful that Teleson sent this to me.